So if you're here, it's probably because you have a broken bolt or something. You're trying to figure out how to take it out, how to extract it. Now there's a few different ways you can extract a broken bolt. As you can see, I got a broken bolt right there and it's sheared flush with the edge, so I can't grab it with pliers. I can't do any of that. So I got a couple options. I could take it out with extractors. So it would require me to drill a hole in the center of that screw and then try to get it out using an extractor. But that means I might get chips all over the transmission gears and all that stuff, or I'd have to tape it all up and cover it up so I don't get no chips in there. But I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to do it using my TIG welder. So let's see if we can record this process so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do here is build up a little bit on that bolt. Then I'm going to weld a bolt on the end of that so I can use a Allen wrench or some kind of wrench to extract that. Okay, so here we go. Alright, now that we got the screw welded, let's see if it comes out. It's not the straightest, but looks like it's on there pretty good. Let's find out. Yeah, looks like we got it. All right. That's how you can take that out. See? No damage to the case whatsoever. All I gotta do is clean this up, put it back together. There's no grinding, nothing. There you go. And that's how you can take a broken bolt out without an extractor kit. I mean, you gotta have a TIG welder, but if you have one, there you go.